Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today's video we will know that what's actually if underscore name underscore equal to main in Python. Okay, because these things you should need to know when you going to work as a developer, because when you read any codes you will see that this line is everywhere. Okay, at the end of the line of the code. So why the people use this code in every coding, every program? So if you are new, or if you are already work as a developer, and if you don't know what actually it is, please keep in the watching the video till the end, so that you can understanding of these things, how it's work and what is actually it. So please let's get started. So this is main variable. Okay, this is called name variable in Python. If the value is assigned to it as a main. Okay, when you Python script is run directly, name is set to or assign it to main, and when the same script is imported as a module in another script, means another file, like you are working in demo and you import the demo here and you run it from there. So that time the value is the main is the script name, means the file name. Okay, so first I'll just print this name variable. I pinned it. Let me see. When I print it, the value is name is assigned to main. Okay, you'll see this order. I just go app.py and I import demo, and I print it. Here is also written a print statement. Name variable I print it. So let me run. You'll see that two output is coming over here. One is demo, one is another one main. So main is coming from this print and the demo is coming from this, because when as I import the module demo module in this script in this file, so this code is execute the main name variable assigned to this file script that I say right now. Okay, so if I just comment out this and only I print the demo and print it, you'll see only come from demo means this file name, this print statement execute, so the value is demo, is this file name. Okay, so let me see over here that how it's why you should work add in the in your code. For that I will just put in a code over here, not this code. I just written this code, and I keep it with the under the condition if name value is main, then this function is execute, otherwise is not. So if I going to import the here, so no, I have to keep it from there. So I just import the app.py file here, import app file, app module. I import it from here and I just comment out this and I run this from here. Let me see this code execute or not. So this code is not execute, just only print this value main. Okay, this function is not work. If I comment out this, you'll see I comment out this and pin, then I will just run this file. You'll see there's 5 and 20 comes. So where this come from? This come from this code, this function. When I written this code under the main underscore name file, it will not execute. When I not keep it under this condition, it will run from another module. Okay, because what is happened actually is over here that when you keep this under this condition, when you keep this under this condition, and when we run this code from this file, the name value assigned is a main, but when you run this from here, the main variable is assigned is a the file name demo, but this is not demo, this is have main, so that's why it's not execute, okay, from the another module. So if I write it demo, it will work. If I give file name, I think it will work. Run it. So main, it will not work. Demo is not work. From there it will also work. It's in main variable. Main. Oh yeah, it will work. It's super rare. Okay, when you keep this under the main variable, so it will value is give you the execute this code. So why and why you need this type of code, right? This type of code mainly when you going to import the module, import this file in another file, and you don't want to execute this code. If all the functionality about this file, you don't want to execute that, the execute from the another file. That's why you if you write this under this condition, this code is not execute from any file in another file. Okay, when you need this, that time use this, otherwise you should not use these things. Okay, and it will your way of things going on, what should you keeping them under this and what not, so this your choice. Okay, thank you. If you like this particular video and if you get any confusion on this, please write in the comment section. I will help you out. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.